The latest now on our road to recovery. Stocks took a bit of a dip today, but the Nasdaq and S&P 500 are still close to historic highs. And take a look at this. The S&P has now recovered all of its losses since the pandemic began. Joining us now to help us put all this in perspective right now is financial expert Rob Wilson. Rob, unemployment still at a record high. Businesses are closing left and right. So why is the stock market doing so well?
Well, the stock market is doing pretty well right now because it's a forward-looking mechanism. And so when you guys had me on back in late February and March, things were pretty touch and go at that point, and it was bad. And we had the quickest 30% drop in the stock market in history. And that's because it was anticipating all of the things that we're dealing with now. The store closures, the unemployment, the economy being down and trying to recover. But now it's looking forward to 12, 18 months in the future where we may get a vaccine, we may get therapeutics, we may get to the other side of this. And so that's what I think you're seeing reflected in the stock market.
So are there any other signs that the economy is improving for people outside of Wall Street?
Yeah, unfortunately, the stock market does not accurately reflect what's going on Main Street. I mean, you saw big companies come out with their earnings, Target, Walmart, Lowe's. They were allowed to stay open, so they're doing great. A lot of our small business owners who own the corner stores and the restaurants weren't allowed to do that. And so consequently, they're feeling the brunt of a lot of that pain. Now, hopefully, we see Congress get back to work, get some more stimulus into the economy, because I know we all felt like we were going to be through the virus at this point. Unfortunately, we still have a ways to go. So we're looking for them to pump a little bit more stimulus back into the economy.
All right, financial expert Rob Wilson. Always love your insight. Thanks, Rob.
Thanks for having me.